right, so we are back with Brian Smith of Long Island Spirits, and now we have some cocktails in front of us. So we're just going to discuss, these cocktails, how versatile the vodka and the whiskey selection they make is, and of course, everyone's favorite, cocktails in a can. Are you ready, Brian?
I'm ready.
All right, so talk to us a little bit about what we have in front of us.
Okay, so right now in our glasses we have the strawberry blonde and a whiskey sour. The strawberry blonde is got a vodka base, and then it's enhanced a little bit with the strawberry sorbet liqueur. It's basically a strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, you punch it up a little bit.
Yeah, you punch it up a little bit.
Yeah. Now, how easy is this to make at home?
I would start with 1.5 ounces of vodka,
Okay.
half an ounce of strawberry liqueur over ice, top off with lemonade, and you're good to go.
Easy, quick, simple, great for summer, great for spring.
Excellent. Yes.
All right, so then we have something a little bit more complex over here.
So it's probably my favorite cocktail is a whiskey sour. With that, we're gonna go probably 2 ounces of bourbon or rye, and to that you're gonna add simple syrup, a little fresh lemon juice, and top it off with a maraschino cherry. It's not overly complicated, and for those of you that are a little intimidated about making your own cocktails, we do of course have pre-made cocktails in a can. So that kind of simplifies life. You're going to the beach, something like that. You don't want to bring a million things. You're good to go.
So all right, let's drink. Are you ready?
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.